a secretary. But it did give me a job.
Why not go be a secretary? Make money.
Nobody cares about that. Everybody now wants an associate's or bachelor's in something.
Wants, but that's their perfect dream situation. Right. Doesn't mean you shouldn't apply.
Oh, I have been applying. I apply basically anything that makes.
Well, I'm sure there's not many opportunities in that area. No offense.
Not really. No, there's not.
BMW Mountain View 85 North, El Camino exit. Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be
00643, MSRP 32986. Short-term financing available with approved credit on select models. See store for details.
Well,
at the end of the.
We're going south. Yeah, southbound. You literally rear-ended me while we're doing 100. Yes, correct. Yes. Yes. I need to exit Calgary Trail. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh my God. This again.
What is this guy doing?
Literally just rear-ended us again. Naeem Isa, put your seatbelt on, bro. Whoa! Oh my God, man! We're almost on 11th Street. We're almost on 11th Street.
Yo, yeah, he's holding a gun.
He literally pulled out a gun on us, man.
He's pointing that bro.
He's behind us, man. He is behind us.
What the
11th Street. On the end of the heading. Oh man. Oh man.
This guy's going crazy.
Luckily I got past some cars, but He's behind us. He's stuck in traffic behind us now. But like, whoa, man. What the f, man? Where did this guy come from?
What? I don't. Nah, he's.
No, I don't see him.
He's coming. He's coming.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's back.
He's back?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't see him.
He's coming in hot. He's right. He's dead behind us, bro.
There's another highway patrol officer there.
A lifelike plush toy designed and powered by AI. It makes you feel loved, supported, and helps during tough times. The Pandy uses AI-powered motion sensors that gently react to your touch. So when you cuddle it, it actually cuddles.
Come on.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
You know, technically, I'm not even really supposed to be doing it.
What the?
Oh, you have a dash cam. Do you like it? I need a better one. I want one that also films inside. So we can get your reaction. I'm crashing! Oh.
Totally fine. You want to just put it laughing?
Like that? Oh my god. That's why I went into your dash cam. Cody, I'm so sorry.
Quarter mile, turn right onto Montiel Road.
Well, I saw it flashing for the turn in the other direction.
Jesus!
You're terrified.
Don't.